my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, division, multiplication and addition. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dance and word math method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 5, B is 10, C is 25 and D is 225. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, odd mass and palm dance. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, exponent part, you have to see the division and multiplication. So step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which is coming first, either division or multiplication. So you have to solve that part first. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward, solve the given expression. According to the word mass and palm dance rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the bracket. So now we can skip. Now we have to go for exponent part or order of operation. So now we have 5 raised to power 2, a number which has the power. So we have to solve this one now. So we will write 5 to the 5 multiplied by 5, which means 25, and divided by 5, and again divided by 5, multiplied by 5 plus 5, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 5 raised to power 2. It becomes 25. Now we have solved step number 2. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now either you are using the word mass or palm dance, you will follow same step. So you have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 25 divided by 5. So we have to solve this one, which is equal to 5, and divided by, here we forgot the 5. We have to write 5 multiplied by 5 and plus 5. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. Now again, we have to go left to right because we have to solve all multiplication and division. So we have to go left to right and see which is coming first. So now we have 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. And multiply by 5 plus 5, we will write here as it is. And here we have 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. Now again, we have to solve the multiplication and division. So we will go left to right and find out which is coming. Now we have 1 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 5 plus 5. Now we have 1 multiplied by 5 equals to 5. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 10. So the answer of the given expression is 10. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm dance and word mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of content from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.